Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something exciting and delicious recipe, and I call it ham and cheese puffs. So I will need simple ingredients like we need mustard for flavor, we need cheese, ay salamat gid imsa, and then rose, thank you for this ham, delicious ham, holiday ham in July. And we have puff pastry. So what I will do is I will blend them all together. I will slice this cheese and ham thinly and then wrap it in puff pastry. So I'll show you later. Let us now open our puff pastry. So this is our puff pastry, which I do not know what to do. Dali lang. It's supposed to be layer, just like this. Okay. So this is what I will do. I will, dali lang gid ha, dali lang. I will get my kneading rolling pin. I just, I am rolling this to fit in our baking paper. Wow, lots of muscle power. I dusted with a little flour so that I will be successful in rolling this later. Now this puff pastry, I bought it at a supermarket. Mayo gani kami ara nakita sang locally made puff pastry. Okay, now the fun begins. Fun begins by putting in some of this happy mustard. Ay, hala. Ay, utok. Okay. We do not have Dijon mustard, yellow mustard lang. Pwede man na. And then spread. So every bite will have little tangy taste of mustard. Yan. Okay. Next part of the program is we will add our ham. Wow, thank you Tintin because you sliced this so thinly. Tintin nga lang mo kung dapat thin imos pag-slice. Yan. So thank you Kid Rosa for making our July rainy pero with holiday ham. So Christmas lang no, so may ham. And then for this cheese, baw im salamat kid imsa. Do hindi man chindihan sa burya. Pero namit man. In fairness, aray. Don't worry. I washed my hands yesterday. Joke. I washed my hands before handling this. This CDO ham is real all meat ano ni ham. Wala sang extender, wala sang whatever that you see in some other hams. Next is I will add the cheese. Ito cute, no? Dudamot iban, do nipis iban. Sige lang. Kung kulang ganin makiyad, pataliwat eh. Then, oo. Oo. Are you happy with this? So, kulang-kulang din. Hindi, no? So, we will add more cheese. Dali lang gid ha. Wait, anay. So, we have now additional slices of cheese that we will layer it over our ham. Rani, oh. Sige lang, butang ta lang ah. Tarang. Tarang. Okay. The fun part. We will, ay, dali lang. Butangan tagal isang kuhan, dali lang. Bake ano, dali lang. Before I roll, I have here beaten egg. That's to be placed on the edge to seal the contents, no? This cheese, I am sure, will melt once it is put in hot oven. Okay. Now let us roll out the barrel. Roll out the barrel of fun. Taran, taran, taran. Ginarti ka pa na pilit-pilit ka pa imoya. Now it's time to roll the barrel. Rock pa siya. Dali ha, edge na yan. Okay. Ay, dukalaw. Ay, no, dahil lang. Dili ka pa kadto. Same direction. One direction. Okay. Pilit siya. Okay, next is we will put slits. Yan. Slit, slit. Siguro butangan ka ni sa ngaton nga kwan. Okay. Okay. So this just came out of the oven. Yay! So I will transfer this in our serving dish. Yeah. And then I will slice it for us to eat. Dali lang kita. So here is our ham and cheese puffs. Look at it, so inviting. Oh, nice. So, kaunta everyone. Thank you for watching.